Hello everyone, in today's video I'm gonna do the comparison between the latest two Huawei phones here, which is Huawei Pura 70 Ultra and Huawei Pura 70 Pro in terms of dimension, size, and even the performance. We'll be talking about all of these details in this video. Just watch the video until the end, and if you like it, just hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. So in terms of dimension and size, both phones coming exactly the same in terms of height, thickness, and even the width. It's exactly the same. There is no any different. But the only thing is that Huawei Pura 70 Ultra, it's slightly heavier. It's only 226 gram comparing to Huawei Pura 70 Pro, which is 220 gram. So you cannot feel the difference, but because here it comes with different material as well. The back side here of Pura 70 Ultra, it comes with the vegan leather, and in the Pura 70 Pro comes with fiberglass in the back side here. And if we'll be talking about the screen, so both phones coming with the same screen size, which is 6.8 inch, and it comes with the LTPO OLED screen, and both screens support the 1 billion color with 120 Hz of refresh rate. Plus also it comes with 2500 nits. Even the screen resolution exactly the same. It comes with 1260 by 2844, and also comes with 460 pixel per inch. Talking about the front glass here, so the Pura 70 Ultra, it comes with the crystal armor Conlon glass, which is very durable, and also as per Huawei, it's 300% more drop resistant comparing to the Conlon glass V2 in Huawei Pura 70 Pro. So the front glass here is more durable in the Pura 70 Ultra. Also, as we know that both phones coming with the Huawei own software, which is the EMUI for the international version and Harmony OS for the Chinese version. Plus also it comes with the processor of Kirin 9010. This is Huawei processor, which is 7 nanometers. In terms of the memory or storage, the Pura 70 Pro, it comes here with 256 gigabyte of storage, plus also we have another version which is 512, and also 1 terabyte of storage. The RAM here comes with 12 GB RAM. But Pura 70 Ultra, it comes also with 512 and 1 terabyte of storage, plus it comes with 16 GB of RAM. For the camera in the Pura 70 Pro, it comes with 50 megapixel main camera, and also 48 megapixel telephoto camera with 12.5 megapixel ultra wide angle. But for the Pura 70 Ultra, it comes here with 50 megapixel main camera and 50 megapixel telephoto camera with 40 megapixel ultra wide angle, and both phones support video record up to 4K. For the front camera here, we have both phones coming with the 13 megapixel front camera. For the battery life in the Pura 70 Ultra, it comes with 5200 milliampere battery. In the Pura 70 Pro, it comes with 5050. and both phones coming with 100 watts wire charger, and also it supports up to 80 watts wireless charging, plus also 20 watts wireless or reverse wireless charger, and also 18 watts reverse wired charging. So now what's the major difference between these two phones? If we'll be talking about the Pura 70 Ultra, we have here the pop out camera. So as you can see guys, if I open the camera, you see this red lens here. It physically it moves and it comes out from the phone itself, and if I open the camera, you can see it will just pop out. And plus also this Pura 70 Ultra comes with 1-inch sensor. The camera sensor here is very large. It will help you to take better photos. But for the Pura 70 Pro, it doesn't come with the pop-out camera. But the thing here, the Pro one, it comes with the eSIM feature, so you can use eSIM on the Pura 70 Pro. Unlike the Pura 70 Ultra, it doesn't come with the eSIM feature. So mainly the difference here is the design, the vegan leather, and the backside of Pro one is glass, plus also the eSIM in the Pro one, and the pop-out camera in the Ultra. So I hope you like the video guys. If you like it, just hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.